Well, here she is. New bike. The Canyon Spectral CF7. Got 29s underneath of her. She's rocking the Fox 36 in the front with 160 millimeters of travel. We've got the Fox Float Performance, 150 millimeters of travel. All Shimano SLX drivetrain. She's a 1x12. And then we have Shimano brakes, front and rear. They are 4-piston in the front and rear. 203 millimeter rotors. And she rocks a ergon seat, which for the moment is pretty comfortable. This is only ride number 2, so we'll see how it goes. Wheels are DT Swiss 1900s, and they are wrapped in Minion DHR IIs. As you can tell, she's pretty dusty. Trails are very dry today, so they're running real fast. But yeah, here she is, and give you another review here in a few months after I've ridden her for a little while. But time to get back out here and enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the dirt, feel the wind through what little hair I have on my head. Have a good one, y'all.